Hey guys, today we're gonna be dyeing your hair red. We're gonna look like strawberries. I just cut his hair last night and he's like, yeah, I want to do it red. So
yeah, I want to do it red.
Yeah, I want to do it red.
That's exactly how I said it.
We're gonna be using Arctic Fox Wrath and dyeing his hair. So let's go. I've gotta tie my hair up so I don't get my hair red and shit. And then we're gonna go thrifting after that. So stay tuned for that video. Hold on a second. What's up with my intros lately? I swear I've just gotten worse with YouTube instead of better. So welcome to my channel. I'm Elle. I love fashion, thrifting, beauty, and all that artsy fartsy stuff. I'd super appreciate it if you'd show support by subscribing to my channel or giving this video a like, as it helps me grow on this platform. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, so we got Wrath. It actually looks a lot darker in this image than I remembered it to be, but I'm gonna see if, sorry, I'm like showing you the toilet. It's like really unattractive, but yeah, so I'm gonna mix it in with the conditioner and see if it like brightens it up at all. If not, then maybe I'll add in some pink or maybe some blue, we'll see. But I think you want it like a brighter red, right? Oh, this is like absolutely disgusting. I'm not gonna show that. You want it like a brighter, you want it like a brighter red, right? Well, this is more of like a, well, we'll see when we start putting it into the container, but yes, so that's what we're gonna do. It's actually brighter than it kind of looks in the image, and it sort of looks darker on camera, but hopefully this will end up working. So let's mix it in with the conditioner. All right, so next all we gotta do is add some conditioner and see if we can brighten this up a little bit. This is what it kind of mixed to, and I think it needs a little bit more of the red for it to be a little bit darker, because right now I would say it almost looks like ketchup, but not as, I think ketchup is a little bit darker. A good tip that I would say if you want to dye your hair any colors or whatever is to always choose the darker on the spectrum, because you can always lighten it up with conditioner, and then technically it goes a longer way than getting the actual color that you would like. For instance, a lighter red, lighter than this one. That's what I've been doing for pink, is like not getting the pastel, but getting a darker pink and then just like lightening it up. So yeah, that's like a good idea if you want to do more of like a lighter color for your hair for it to go a longer way. It's a little bit darker this time, but not by much, but this is just gonna have to do because the bottle that we got was one of the smaller ones for Arctic Fox. So we're just gonna have to do this and see how it comes out. I think I need enough for his hair, so yeah, let's do that.
You have a pimple right in the middle of my forehead.
Yeah. When I'm doing my hair like rainbow colors, fashion colors, the type of conditioner I use is like the super cheap ones that you get at the drugstore. I used to use like the more expensive ones and use it more as like a deep conditioner, but then I realized like that's kind of a waste of money, and you really just need a large volume of conditioner, which you can't get with an expensive conditioner. So I just use like the dollar Suave ones from like the dollar store or from like Walmart. I'm having a feeling that this red is gonna end up taking more pink, so we'll see about that. Let me try to do this time lapse. Hopefully that works. So, all right, let's start that.
Looks kind of hot pink to me.
It looks the color of this though. Definitely.
I don't really mind because it still works. Like, it's still the same aesthetic. It's just a little bit.
It looks really good though. I mean, it's gonna end up like fading kind of pink.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna be hot pink. Also, when we bought this Arctic Fox color at Sally's, they were pretty much out of Arctic Fox. So
I think people are like doing their hair during this.
yeah, a lot of people are doing a lot of DIY shit.
Well,
during
it's
the
because
pandemic.
you know, like
Like,
the hairdressers were closed and shit.
I go to Walmart and there's no thread. Like, there's zero threads. I think now though, things are going back to normal-ish. Also, yeah, there's like no sewing machines either. The sewing machines, no thread. At Sally's, there's no Arctic Fox. There's only like 3 colors there. Fish color.
Yeah, the other
Confined.
red was out. I don't remember what red that was, but it was a lighter red. All right, so we're just gonna let this sit in his hair for about an hour, and then we'll be back to show you what it ends up looking like.
This isn't red at all. Even this part is way too pink and very like washed out.
We can dye it again with darker red. Okay, so we're gonna add some of the Wella red into this just to see if it hopefully will become more of a red instead of a pink. So we're gonna try that on his hair. We just went to Sally's. Yeah, so his hair looks like this right now. You know, hot pink and whatever. And yeah, we're gonna try to get it red again.
So it worked. One thing I learned is wash your hair with cold water, not warm or hot water, because it'll run the color out. So I hopped in the shower, I showered, shampooed, and conditioned, and the bleeding kind of stopped after I conditioned. I noticed